Have you ever wondered how much it really costs to use the Emma app? We've all heard the rumors, but is it as expensive as they say? Let's dive in and find out the truth. Emma app, with its sleek design and powerful features, has quickly become a popular choice for managing personal finances. But with so many different plans and options available, it can be a bit overwhelming to determine the exact cost. In this video, we'll break down the different pricing tiers, explore the value they offer, and help you decide if Emma is the right fit for your financial needs. Pricing Tier 1, the free plan. Let's start with the most accessible option, the free plan. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of the premium tiers, the free plan offers a solid foundation for managing your finances. Here's what you can expect. Basic tracking. Track your income, expenses, and savings effortlessly. Budgeting tools. Create simple budgets to stay on top of your spending. Financial insights. Get a clear overview of your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. While the free plan is a great starting point, it may not be sufficient for those seeking more advanced features and personalized support. Pricing Tier 2, the premium plan. If you're looking for a more comprehensive financial management solution, the premium plan might be the right choice for you. Here's what you can expect. Advanced budgeting. Create detailed budgets with multiple categories and subcategories. Investment tracking. Monitor your investments and track your portfolio performance. Debt management tools. Get help managing your debt with tools like Debt Snowball and Debt Avalanche. Personalized financial advice. Receive tailored recommendations based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. The premium plan offers significant value for those who are serious about taking control of their finances. However, it's important to consider whether the additional features justify the cost. Pricing Tier 3, the enterprise plan. For businesses and individuals with complex financial needs, the enterprise plan may be the best option. This plan offers a range of features tailored to the specific requirements of businesses, including team collaboration. Allow multiple users to access and manage financial data. Expense management. Track and reimburse employee expenses efficiently. Integration with accounting software. Seamlessly integrate Emma with popular accounting platforms. Customized reporting. Generate custom reports to analyze financial performance. The enterprise plan is a premium offering with a price tag to match. It's essential to evaluate whether the additional features and benefits justify the cost for your business. Factors affecting cost. In addition to the pricing tiers, several factors can influence the final cost of using Emma app. Subscription length. Choosing a longer subscription term can often result in discounts. Additional features. Some features may be available as add-ons or premium upgrades. Regional pricing. Prices may vary depending on your location. It's important to carefully consider these factors when making a decision about which plan is best for you. Is Emma app worth the cost? The question of whether the Emma app is worth the cost is ultimately a personal one. The value you derive from the app will depend on your individual financial needs and goals. If you're looking for a simple way to track your income and expenses, the free plan may be sufficient. However, if you're seeking more advanced features and personalized support, the premium or enterprise plans may be worth the investment. In conclusion, the cost of the Emma app varies depending on the plan you choose and your specific needs. While the free plan offers a solid foundation, the premium and enterprise plans provide more advanced features and benefits. By carefully considering your financial goals and budget, you can determine whether Emma app is the right choice for you. Ready to take control of your finances? Visit the Emma app website today to learn more about their pricing plans and sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.